Cambodian authorities destroyed 5.62 tons of illicit drugs and precursor chemicals, which they said were worth an estimated $500 million during a public incineration ceremony in Kandal province on Tuesday. Footage shows officials overseeing the destruction of the seized drugs at a burning site in Panya Lu district as huge flames and plumes of thick smoke blanketed the sky. Deputy Prime Minister and Interior Minister Sar Soka, who attended the ceremony, said the event sent a clear message to drug traffickers. This clearly reflects the government's vision to build a drug-free Cambodia, Soka said. The narcotics and precursor chemicals were seized during anti-drug operations carried out in 2025 in Phnom Penh and Kampong Shnong province. According to Cambodia's anti-drug police department, authorities arrested 12,581 drug suspects, including 225 foreign nationals, and seized 2.38 tons of narcotics during the first half of 2026. The confiscated drugs included ketamine, heroin, crystal methamphetamine, methamphetamine pills, ecstasy, cocaine, and cathinone.
Control yang quick thực hưng trong ca điệp trong chỉ viên một phi của mùi vì thủ đoàn ai là UNODC và tổ tu squad đừng lo cái mặt nặng vào Campuchia trên cái mình còn trong cái cái ở phía bên mình và ban hai phía ở cả ở trong một cái trường phát mưa đương nhiên tiền mùi là phát mưa mình có phải đi thị trường tại công ty chỉ phải nhà hai phần công mai